Right, join me on this mystery. This is an HP laptop that I've got in here for another business. Basically doesn't turn on. It's just totally dead. No thermal camera needed with this because I can feel it's absolutely baking hot there. I don't know what it is. So I've tried taking that sticker off and there's nothing underneath it. So I'm just in the middle of taking the board out to see what's going on with it. One weird thing, I've never seen this design before. This is bizarre. BIOS battery. Why is there a BIOS battery plugged into the card reader, which then plugs into the motherboard? Why not just plug it into the motherboard? That's bizarre, isn't it? That is the weirdest. So I took it off. I took that off. I took the screws out just because I was curious what the hell it was. I'm like, what's this like? Some kind of external storage that needs power to it? But no, it's just literally the card reader. And yeah, it goes to the motherboard. So weird design. Yep, 77 degrees. Something that's getting rather hot. And that'll be why I spy a shorted capacitor. So, cap removed. We now have signs of life when it's plugged in. Let's see, has it fixed it? Hey, look at that, look. Success. So just a shorted capacitor that we found with a thermal camera. Good old thermal camera. Definitely pays for itself. So, gonna put back together and that should be good to go. There we go, job done. So there you go, another successful repair.